Here is a chart of the S&P futures, and yesterday we experienced a huge green wave 4, and that was December 8th. The prior day we had a wave 3 down, and so yesterday we had that wave 4, and my prediction was that today we would have a wave 5 that would go below the bottom of the bottom of wave 3. So the bottom of wave 3 was at 2050.25. And it turns out that today, right before the open at 9:30 a.m., around 9 a.m., it hit 2049.75. That's just one tick below the 2050 mark. And then it quickly reversed up. Now, when it hit that and it started reversing against what I was expecting, then I knew that that was the completion of diagonal 1, listed as orange 1. And so when that 1 finished, then I knew that wave 2 was coming. Now, wave 2 could have been either an A, B, C, where A would go up somewhere to 2060-ish, B would go back down to 2050, and C would go up to 2070 or so, and that would finish wave 2. But it turns out, in the matter of two green bars, each bar is 1 hour. So in just 2 hours, it went all the way to 2080. And it stayed below resistance at the top of the other wave 2, which was 2084. And so when it hit that, and then it started reversing down without a bounce, and it went all the way back down to 2050, and it actually went below 2050 towards 2036. Right when it crossed that 2050 mark, we knew that that was the completion of 2, orange wave 2, and that the beginning of orange wave 3 was beginning. And so all of that happened basically today. The bottom of the diagonal completed wave 5 at 9 a.m. before the 9:30 opening, and then within 2 hours, all of wave 2 completed, and then now we're experiencing the first part of wave 3, which is already at 2040, and we expect this to go towards 2020, 2010, maybe even 2000. And so that is the expectation. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday when we just finished the wave 4. Today we did wave 5, the wave 2 up, and we expect tomorrow to continue downward pressure. And our position, the one that we shorted, the 210 strike, which is equivalent to 2084, which is where the resistance was. We shorted the 210 strike and bought the 213 strike in the SPY, S&P 500 ETF, and that position is up $2,400. And so we expect, since today is Wednesday and expiration is on Friday, there's only 2 days left, and because of this wave pattern and because we reversed so dramatically off of that 2080 level, we have pretty strong confidence that it's not going to be able to retest that in the next day or two. And so we're going to actually intend to or plan to hold that position unless we see a strong rally above 2070, then we'll start reconsidering. But otherwise, we're going to let that option expire worthless and hold it from through today, Wednesday, through tomorrow, Thursday, and ideally through Friday, and then let that option expire worthless, and then we'll collect an extra a few $100s. So that $2,400 could become something like $2,600 or $2,700. So we'll see. Right now, we expect downward pressure, and we don't expect any massive rallies above the 2070 or 2080 rally. So right now, the positions are looking good, and that's it for today's update. Mentioned that's for December 9th, and again, the forecast for tomorrow, December 10th, is continued downward pressure staying below 2050.